In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to your Asana project. This process is really straightforward, so let's dive right in and make it as simple as possible for you to bring others on board your project seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to head straight into your Asana project. Once you're there, take a look at the top right-hand corner of your project interface. You'll find a button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to inviting others into your workspace. So go ahead and click on it. After clicking the Share button, a Share menu will appear, giving you a variety of options for bringing others into your project. Focus on the section labeled Invite with Email. Here, you have the opportunity to enter the email addresses of the individuals you would like to add as guests. It's important to ensure that you enter their email addresses accurately to avoid any hiccups down the line. Now, once you have input the email addresses, the next crucial step involves setting permissions. Asana provides two main permission levels for guests, viewer and commenter. When you set someone as a viewer, you're allowing them to see all elements of the project, but not make comments or edits. This is ideal if you want someone just to keep an eye on the project's progress. On the other hand, setting a person as a commenter means they'll be able to add their thoughts or suggestions in the form of comments, which can be extremely valuable for ongoing discussions. With permissions set, it's time to invite them to the project. Simply click the Invite button. Doing this sends an invitation to the email addresses you've entered, which each person must accept to join your project. And that's pretty much it. Once they've accepted the invitation, you'll have successfully added them as guests to your Asana project. It's that easy. To wrap things up, it's worth noting that inviting guests to your Asana project can enhance collaboration and provide different perspectives on your ongoing tasks, which can be crucial to achieving your project goals. Also, always make sure your guests know the level of access they have, as it helps manage expectations and maintain smooth communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide on adding guests to your Asana project was clear and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy collaborating!